Hey Emmanuel, I would like to elaborate on this one. MCP is applied for on the plant, not just only on business tier. And MCP is different of the multi-agent system. So let me show you how MCP server is supported on AgenticFlow. So you can go into here of the AgenticFlow.ai. You can go into and slot MCP. In here you will see that we have like 2,500 MCP server and 10,000 tool. Only 3 steps for you to start to like config, add account, and then add server URL. We're including a very comprehensive video in here for you. Just click on that, and you can see in here we have a lot of like API and so on. And everyone, including like the free tier or pro user or team, can leverage on our AI agent. And you can click on this video. It will show you very detailed on how you use the MCP server. Don't worry about that. We got you covered. Okay. Thanks a lot, Emmanuel. Bye.